It's a Yiko Unscripted 3.
Put your hands together for Yiko Nigeria. Stand up. We gon' sing, stand up. Ladies and gentlemen, Yiko the man from the three ladies, we can make some noise. We can bring us. I should use not the time, sir. Yes, sir. He's surprised by me. Yeah, good. I said, now my mama and jump. So, propose. How do you see me? Let's make some noise.